Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey. This is my producer and editor, Sophie, as I'm sure you know if you've seen any of our videos before. Like I said, she is my producer and editor, so if you see any text going across the bottom of the screen, sometimes the top, those come from Sophie. She likes to make fun of me most of the time, so that's, if you see any of those, just, she likes to do that. So, all right, so today, yeah, like I said, we're sitting outside. It's 70 degrees. The sun is shining, so I thought I would make a cocktail that's based on the Dole Whip from the Disney parks. The classic, famous Dole Whip, one of the best treats in the world, in my opinion. Actually, we like the coconut pineapple swirl Dole Whip. That's our favorite. Fantastic. So yeah, this is a cocktail based on that. It's vodka based. Never had it, so hopefully it's good. We shall see. But yeah, so we can sit outside here and enjoy those. Sophie can take her nap outside. She definitely likes to do that. Wow, these sunglasses are gigantic. What in the world? It covers up my face, which I guess that's actually not a bad thing. You can even say that's a good thing. Yeah, these are huge. And this cocktail is actually called the Disney Pineapple Whip cocktail. And I found it on merlandraskitchen.com. I'll leave a link to that in the description of the video. Okay, so you're gonna fill a cocktail shaker halfway up with ice, give or take a half. And then you're going to put, or add to that, 1 shot of whipped vodka, or whipped cream vodka. This is the only brand I could find. I'm sure there's better ones out there, but this is what we're using now. So I'm gonna try to do this while I film with one hand. 1 shot, oh boy, of the whipped cream vodka. There we go. All right. 4 ounces of pineapple juice. All right, then you're gonna give that a shake. You're gonna pour that into your glass. Look at that. To that, you're going to add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. All right, so that looks pretty good. So now it's just time to give it a try. Okay, well, I'm going to try this. It's actually starting to melt since I'm out here in the sun. Which is actually a good thing. It actually melted some of the ice cream, so should be able to taste that. All right, if I can do it. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, now that is refreshing, and it tastes pretty close to a Dole Whip. Pretty close, although you can taste the vodka, but I think if you mix the Dole Whip with vodka, this is exactly what it tastes like. That is delicious. Wow. I'm in a summery mood now. I was before, but now, it's official now. I'm in a summery mood with this. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. It actually said you could omit the ice cream. I guess you could do that, but if you want it to be sort of like a Dole Whip, then I would say do not do that. Fantastic. I'm gonna give this I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Not a 10, just because the Dole Whip itself is a 10. But you know what, for a cocktail? Yeah, 9's good. But yes, definitely try this. I think you'll like it. It's perfect to get you ready for summertime. Wow, very good. Well, that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you can make fun of me, like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak. She actually is, right there. Sophie. You can also hit the like button because it really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. And you can leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make. I can attempt to do that, keyword being attempt. And you can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. It's usually about 2 per week. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.